Hello everyone, welcome back to KST, Kiah's Showtime. Okay, so today we are going to be making easy chef hats out of paper. So here's what you'll need. 4 papers like this, some sellotape, a stapler, scissors. Okay, so I'm just going to take 2 papers. Take one of them and fold them a little bit. Then you turn it around, and fold again. Repeat the same process again and again until your whole paper is over. Almost done. And a nice small fold at the end. So here are the 2 sheets of folded papers. Now I'm just going to bring them together and I'm going to staple them. Okay, so now we're going to keep this aside and we'll take the other 2 papers. So you just keep it like this and we're going to staple them. So, after you staple the papers, they will look like this. And you will have to fold them. Okay, I'll just fold. There. Now, I'm going to take this, open it, and put it in the middle. Okay. So you just have to hold it over here and you just staple it right there. Okay? And same with the other side. Just turn it around. There you go. The chef hat's almost ready. I just need to take the measurement of my head and put some tape at the back. Ta-da! It's ready! You can make it your own by, putting your name on it or some design. Since our chef's hat is done, let's go see what's cooking. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video.